This is the Week 10 test video for Concept 9.2b. Remember, when you see a B, that's telling you that it's the second time it's been on the test. It will be on one more time. So when we look at a problem like this, and we're looking at these two angles, angle A and angle B, we can see that A lies inside the triangle. So we're going to start by thinking about this triangle. So this would be a place where on a test, having a highlighter, highlighting that triangle would be a good idea. Here's what we know about triangles. If you take any triangle, the total of the interior angles, the triangle total, is 180 degrees. We know that 50 is the vertical angle for this angle, which means that's 50 degrees. We also know that this is 90 degrees, and since it's 90, its supplement, if you look at this entire angle, that has to equal 180. So if half of it is 90, the other half also has to be 90. So now we're ready to find A. We know that the two angles in the triangle that we have are a 50 and a 90. That equals 140 degrees. We know the entire triangle is 180 degrees. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degrees. So if we go up to A, let me write that here again by A. 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. That's the size of angle A. We're ready to do angle B. Now there are a couple of things we can do to get angle B. First off, we look again at this angle. We know that that's 180 degrees. We know A now, so B is whatever A taking away from 180 gives us. So 180 minus A equals B. Well, that's 180 minus 40 equals 140, and that is the measure of angle B. The other thing we know is that any time we see an angle sitting outside a triangle like this, it's equal to the sum of these two angles, because its supplement is B, so B and A are supplements, and these two angles with A also make 180. So we have this idea: the 50 plus the 90 plus A all equal 180. B plus A also equals 180, which means that 50 plus 90 plus A equals B plus A. If we cancel the A's out, we're left with the 50 and the 90 equal B. So exterior angle equals the sum of the two opposite interior angles. All right, remember, this is a B question. This is a puzzle. Notice we had to get this 50-degree vertical angle first. We had to get this 90. We added those two together to get A, because we took those two from 180 to get A. And then B, we knew either by adding these together to get B, or by saying 180 minus A was equal to B. All right, if you have any questions, bring them to class. Be ready to score really well on this during the Week 11 test.